I was waiting for her. She's the swiper.
I'm stuck.
Huh? We'll see you there.
It said it won't let me go.
Oh no.
But I paid for this.
Go the other one. Day 2.
Oh yeah.
And it's
Day 3.
we got it at night. It's called day 2.
Full day 2.
Yeah. And it's brunch time. Sunday we're doing brunch.
Yeah. Where are we going again? The farm. The farm.
At Adderley Place. The farm at Adderley Place.
It's in the Kensington neighborhood in Brooklyn. Never been there. Have some brunch with friends. Today's rainy. Doing west out. But it's about like 50 degrees, so it's not too bad. So, not as cold as yesterday.
Weather report.
Weather report.
Last night after we went out, we were gonna get some drinks and it was like hang out at home and meet people and go back out. But then it was like raining and cold, so we just stayed at home and hung out.
So we did a lot of drinking, whatever. I didn't see anybody like just going out.
So we ordered a bunch of pizza and hung out. Some friends came over.
I had the grandma style pizza. I don't know what it means. It's really good. So yeah, and we had that for breakfast too.
Yeah, those were pizza.
Really good. So yeah.
So next up, brunch.
It's delicious.
Bloody Mary.
It's got the tomato,
Oh yeah?
vodka,
Oh yeah?
olive, pickles, and onion, raw onion.
I asked her how her Bloody Mary was, and she like described the ingredients.
Yeah. Is it very bloody?
It's very bloody, yeah.
She gave us like the recipe. We're all done brunch and we're going to Industry City Food Hall. Our Brooklynite friends said this is a cool place to go, so we're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
So we're still at the
Industry City.
Industry City, and they have like a food hall area, and now we're in the flea market area. So it's like little handmade goods and arts and crafts and
Like different stalls full of like merchants and stuff. It's really cool. We just got here, so we haven't seen anything yet, so we're gonna walk that way and go.
Yep. Sarah, what is this place?
Avocadoria.
Well,
Everything's avocados. Avocados.
okay. We're leaving the food hall now, and then it's still wet and raining
It's windy now.
and windy. Oh, that puddle. So now we are headed to our friend Sarah's house, which is just close by, and we're gonna hang out.
Just gonna hang out. There's some wine, coffee.
Yeah, somewhere warm and dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Actually, really warm and
the
dry.
Industry City,
It's pretty cool.
It's really cool. They have like a food hall, flea market. Cool spot to check out.
Lots of different foods and stuff like that.
Yeah.
All right.
They have an avocado place. It's all avocado stuff.
Yeah. It's cool. I got the guac and chips. Because that was kind of already full.
We had some
earlier.
Taiwanese bao, little buns. They have beer.
Hola.
The rain stopped.
Yay! No more rain for the rest of the time we're here.
Yep, we had some awesome Turkish food.
That our friends took us to right here in Bay Ridge. What's it called? Hazar. Yeah, it was really good. I had the red lentil soup. Frank had
The kofta kebabs.
kofta, yeah. And we all like shared some dessert, which was really good. So, our other friends, or the New Yorkers, we're going back home, and
We have the real lives to get back to because tomorrow's Monday morning.
yeah,
We don't.
work.
So we're staying out.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to a bar.
Karaoke night, right?
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna be singing. We're gonna be drinking.
Drinking and watching. It's entertaining.
I don't know. I think Isaiah wants to sing.
So Isaiah wanted to come here to Club Xstasy for karaoke.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. So we just left the karaoke bar.
The karaoke gay bar.
The gay.
What's a gay bar with karaoke?
Right.
Okay. Okay.
So we're
It was
headed.
very, very karaoke.
So we're headed to the train station. It's like what, 1 in the
1:30,
morning?
it's 1:30.
1:30.
So it's like 11? No,
It's actually 2.
10:30.
Is it 2 in the morning?
2 in the morning.
We're 3 hours behind, so it's alright.
But we're like living in like East Coast time right now. It's really windy. Oh my god.
We're all living. Everyone's blown away back here. Everyone's blown away.
Oh my god, it's so windy.
It's not working.
And I'm being Coney on right now.
Ta-da!
Oh, still here. Look at her hair.
What is this?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm alright.